Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix screen goes off when plugging in the charger on Windows 11. Is your Windows 11 screen going black or turning off? When you plug in the charger, this issue can be rather frustrating, but don't worry because I have got you fully covered with some pretty handy fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to check your power plan settings. Windows 11 offers different display settings for battery and plugged-in modes. If the power plan is misconfigured, your screen might turn off when charging. On your PC, navigate to the Settings app and then you have to click on the System tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose Power and Battery option. And under the Power Mode section, ensure that it is set to Balanced or Best Performance instead of a custom plan that turns off the display. And then you have to choose Screen and Sleep option and make sure that the settings for on battery power and when plugged in are set correctly. And then you have to restart your PC and check if the frustrating problem is gone. Then I would recommend you to update your display driver. It's worth pointing out that the outdated or corrupted display drivers are well known for invoking a number of dreading display issues like flickering, black screens, or even unexpected shutdowns when charging. To do so, you have to launch the device manager on your PC. And then you have to expand the display adapters. And then you have to right click on your graphics card and select the update driver option in the menu. And then you have to choose search automatically for drivers or download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website and reboot your Windows 11 device. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your PC because I suspect that a software bug might be causing the problem and preventing the display from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your PC and then you have to click on the Windows Update tab located in the left sidebar. And then you have to click on Check for Updates and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest update, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix the screen blackouts problem in Windows 11 or later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.